Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are back with another video on business reaction. So, you can see I'm holding my mic, not because of anything. It's just my t-shirt is my sweatshirt is not mic friendly, so it doesn't allow me to clip on it and have a clear voice. And I have already been affected by this not being clear enough for this channel before, and I don't want it to be happening again. So yeah, today we'll be reacting to Mark Tilbury, passive income, how I started AI video editing from scratch, step by step. So yeah, let's start.
Thousands of dollars in passive income every month selling videos edited with the help of AI.
Here is how you can make $150 in 15 minutes.
Here is how this channel makes over $36,000 a month.
This is how you make $10,000 a month.
Using AI in seconds.
This is true AI video.
Can you believe this?
But is this actually possible, and how much work does it require? Well, I'm going to put this to the test myself by making and selling my own promotional videos, and I reckon I'm the perfect candidate as I've never edited a video in my entire life. I'm setting myself 3 rules for this challenge.
So that means
rule 1, I must sell under
that means he actually asked people to do it for him, and then people earn from him.
Everything from my
That's
computer. And rule 3, the videos I create and sell should be easy to do for beginners with the help of AI, so no complex editing software is allowed. The first thing on my list is crucial: market research. Looking at Fiverr, I can immediately see there's a lot of competition in the promotional video space. A lot of people would see this as a bad sign and give up before even starting, but I actually see this as a positive thing, as many of these sellers have lots of reviews, which means they're clearly making sales. Something that really stands out to me is the huge gap in prices. Some sellers are pricing their videos at $10, while others are pricing theirs at $2,500 for a single promotional video. I'd like to think I can do better than the lower level sellers, so I'm going to start selling my videos for $50. As a beginner starting out, I need to create some sort of promotional video that I can attach to my advertisement on websites like Fiverr to showcase what I can do. So let's sign into InVideo and start editing.
Okay, I tried InVideo before, and there's an AI channel that I'm running, but y'all do not know that, right?
All I need is my
So maybe if y'all find it, you can comment it below.
And millions of
yeah, I do have an AI channel. Maybe if it crosses
I need a template, as I'm
and I'm able to monetize that channel, I will come here and talk about it.
Projects from scratch.
So InVideo is kind of
here
not
and
something for me lah.
Now,
because all this is like we have to use
let's use this.
The
template's great, but the text is all
pre-inbuilt stock image, stock videos to do the videos, which I don't prefer or like I don't like. So for me, what I do on the AI channel is basically
I can play around and insert into my template.
Basically, it's
chopping and changing a few things,
re-uploading or reposting
the footage I'm using makes sense to potential customers.
Videos of creators.
Final product.
So if you guys can find it, comment down below what is the name of the channel. Yeah.
I think for my first try, that was that's all right, wasn't it? Now is where the fun really starts. It's time to set up a seller's account. So there are many different ways we can advertise our services, such as using third-party platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or by creating social media pages and websites. In my opinion, building your own website and social media pages is the best way to go, as you can build your brand and reputation, have returning customers, and most importantly, retain customer data, such as email addresses and phone numbers. With that said, we need to gain experience first, and it's much quicker and cheaper to go where the customers are. So I'm going to create a listing on Fiverr. I want to make this very clear. We're not being sponsored by Fiverr, but we probably should be.
There's a Fiverr affiliate marketing
as I already have a Fiverr account, I'm
not too sure.
And from the
please comment down below on that, because I kind of saw affiliate marketing there.
Video editing category. For the title, I'm just going to steal one that's working well for a seller that's currently on the platform, because if it's not broken, why fix it? So let's go with, I will create a commercial sales video, promotional marketing video ad. Like, that makes complete grammatical sense, but who am I to judge if it works?
Very similar to YouTube's tag. You know, YouTube got the tags, right? Very similar layout.
Video editing, video post-production and corporate video editing should do the trick. Now for setting the price. Let's go with $49, as it's a bit on the lower end, but it also leaves room for a bit of profit. Right, I'll upload that video we just created together to hopefully draw some eyeballs to our gig, and also get ChatGPT to write us a nice description to add to the listing. AI is just so useful for this kind of thing. We need to stand out, so I'm going to set
That's very true though. Most of the things that I do now is with AI.
To make unlimited revisions. Now let's see if we can make some sales. Well, it's been a couple of days now since we published our gig, and we've had no bites, not even a single inquiry. This leaves me with two options. Option one, quit. Option two, get creative. You guys know me, of course I'm getting creative. So here's the plan. I've noticed that all the people making sales have 5-star reviews, and as I'm a new seller, potential customers don't trust me. So I've got someone to agree to buy my gig so I can make a promotional video for them. Before you comment saying I'm a faker and unsubscribe, listen up, because this is actually a very common strategy, especially on platforms like these. This will help boost my gig in the algorithm, hopefully leading to me getting some real sales. The first video I'm going to make is for Chris, who runs a business called Discord Builders. He's been my community manager now for a couple of years. On that note,
so I got one question for him. So does it mean,
and it's free to join. I'll leave the link below. The first
Mark
thing I need to
will
do is
pay
find
him,
a template. So I'm going to go up
the
here
guy
and
will pay
search
Mark to
website
make the video?
development. I know it's
I don't
technically
get it.
not the right one, but
Do you guys get
I
it?
think this
If
is
you
a
guys
great
get it, please comment
template
down
to
below.
look tech-based. I'm going to go with the Easy Website Makers template, as I think it fits the theme well. Now for some AI magic. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and type in the following prompt. Create a concise promo script for a Discord community building service. They specialize in crafting and managing online communities for people seeking connection and engagement. The script should be brief, under 30 seconds, with short and engaging sentences, simple language, and a witty tone. The video will rely on text, music, and video clips. No spoken dialogue is needed. Begin with a compelling problem statement and conclude with a strong call to action to explore the Discord building services available. You know what they say about enough monkeys? Well, I've just written the works of Shakespeare there. I'll leave this prompt in the description below, so all you have to do is adapt the language slightly if you want to use it. Now let's jump back onto InVideo and replace all the placeholder text with what ChatGPT has given us. We might need to adjust the font size, color, and text animations, but that's pretty simple stuff. Now that's looking nice. Now we have to replace the media. Luckily, Chris has given me some assets to use, so I can start dragging and dropping those into the timeline. The last step is often overlooked by a lot of people, and it's replacing the placeholder logo.
Oh, so now I get it. So basically,
do this. Hopefully your customer
we can fake
their logo. If they don't
video
have
for
one,
someone.
then you can always use a free AI tool like the Wix logo maker. Here's a sneak peek at the finished version. Raise our price from $49 to $99 and hopefully get our first real paying customer. So it's been a few days since I
the issue with Fiverr, right?
And I've got some great
it's like
news.
worldwide and all those things. So
well, it's only one sale, but I'm excited.
Wait, no, I think I can use.
This is interesting.
If you guys want me to try this out, please comment down below as well. So I will do it.
Static home park that wants to showcase their facilities.
And the video that I promise you guys very soon. I'm meeting my second supplier this Saturday, and by the time it will be all good, and I will be publishing the video soon, very soon. So stay tuned, guys. Subscribe to our channel.
Create something really cool. I'm going to use the same step-by-step process I did before for the Discord Builder promo video. So let's fast forward this part. And I've got to say, I'm pretty happy. I might even have to add pro video editor to my Instagram bio. But you know what? It isn't down to whether I like it or not. Let's see what the customer thinks. So it's a couple of days later and I was a little bit concerned because I hadn't heard back from them, but they got in contact. They said they were just a bit busy and they've said they really love the video. So now we know we're not going to have any refunds. Let's add up how much profit we made. The 2 promo videos I created brought in a total revenue of $148, but there were some costs I had to absorb. Firstly, Fiverr charge a flat 20% commission on all sales. Secondly,
See,
I
that's
had
what I
to
said.
sign up for InVideo's business subscription
For him, he is
$25,
okay
which
because
gave me all the
he has a
tools
lot
and
of,
footage needed to create the videos.
money
They do
coming,
offer an
cash flow
unlimited
in.
plan for larges and agencies. But for
Yeah,
most
cash.
people,
He has
I
a lot
think
of
the
cash
business
flow in
package is more
to
than
his head.
suitable. If you want to have
So
a
it's
go
kinda
at this,
easy
it will
for
be
him.
slightly less expensive, as I've managed to get you 25% off if you use the code MT25 and the link in the description. With subscriptions deducted, that brings us to a grand total of $93.20. This isn't bad at all, judging by the fact that before this I had zero experience editing videos. And if I kept this going, I reckon I could really scale it up. If you want to see how much passive income I made selling blank books on Amazon, then I'm going to leave that video right up there, but don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth, okay?
The thing is,
see you
right,
over there.
that video that he recommended, I also have a book. I haven't published it yet on Amazon because of some issues, you can say, because of a lot of issues. I know, Rajan, you're full of issues. Don't say this again. Just say that you got something on and we all know there is an issue. But the thing is, it's an issue for me because I have been brought up in a family where money is very valuable, and in a community where it's very, basically money is very valuable. I mean, it's valuable to everyone, but here it's a bit more lah. And when I do something online, I have to think twice, thrice, even 100 times before I actually do something. So the one that was the video that I wanted to upload, I promise you guys on Saturday. I wanted to, but it's not confirmed yet. So if I don't confirm it and suddenly just start with the business that I'm planning to do, there will be a lot of legal issues or whatsoever lah. And I don't want that to happen. And yeah, basically I want to build an empire like people that you know, Alex Hormozi, Iman Gadzhi, even Mark Tilbury. For Indians, we all know Ambani, Adani. All these people are very much who I look up to. Even the Kerala famous Yusuf Ali sir. Yeah, all these people are very much who are inspired me to, and I also listen to all these people's videos and podcasts. So I really want to build an empire that is like similar to them, and if possibly, even bigger than theirs. So I know I might be very much overthinking it, over dreaming. Yeah, but it's my dream, guys. I hope you guys will be together with me in this journey. And without further ado, I will be coming up with another video soon. And till then, Rajan Talks signing out.